This is Sandisk Extreme Pro SD card. I bought 4 of them last year. I've been using them every day, and for the speed and the reading and the writing, I think I'm happy with it. I'm using this card for recording 4K videos, and each of them, it doesn't have any writing or reading issues. But now I only got 3. The reason is, you can see here, the plastic cracked. The last one was here. Here you see the locking. The whole thing cracked. Due to the crack, I cannot use it because it was locked. And this is the second one have the issues. I just normal use. Put it into the camera and put it into the computer. Very simple. And it just like this. This is second one. And I think these 2 maybe someday will crack too. I think this Extreme Pro SD card have the quality issues about the plastic. I don't recommend you buy this. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.